Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Snapchat account. First thing you want to do, let's launch the Snapchat app. Then I want you to head to the top right corner and click on the gear icon. When you're at the gear icon, I want you to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and you will have a section that is called account actions, okay? Second to the last you have delete account. When you click delete account, you will be forwarded to a special place where essentially you will have to input your username and your password. This is what is going to happen after you proceed with deleting your account. Your account will be deactivated, which means all the friends that you previously add as a friends will not be able to contact you. They will also lose any chats you previously saved, any swaps, any chats you haven't opened. After 30 days, your account will be deleted completely. This means that the rules here are the same as the ones that usually follows when you try to delete your Facebook or Instagram or TikTok account. They all give you 30 days period in which if you change your mind, you can simply go back, log in and recover your account. Very important, if you really want to delete your account, you want to make sure you collect your data, your files, your information from Snapchat. This is how the process works if you want to do so. If you requested your data and you haven't received it yet, please wait until you have downloaded your data to delete your account. We won't be able to contact you if your account is scheduled for deletion. Very important note over here, guys, is that if you really want to delete your account, you have to wait until you get your data. You have to request your data from Snapchat, and Snapchat will take time to process the request, and then we'll get back to you and send you the data. They cannot send you the data if your account is scheduled for deletion. This is why you have to wait, you have to request the information, you have to collect the information, and then you can actually proceed with the deletion.
Now, once we're over here, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to Spotlight. Now, this is obviously my Spotlight. Okay, you get the whole point of it. But Spotlight is just like Reels or it's like TikTok. You keep scrolling down and you go get more stuff to watch, you get more stuff to follow, etc. Now, how do you make money off of it? Basically, all you're going to need to do is just have a proper account to add videos on Spotlight. Now, as you can see, you can upload any video onto Spotlight. Just go ahead and upload videos on Spotlight. And once you start getting views, you can actually monetize yourself through the settings. So you're going to come here, you're going to go through settings, you're going to scroll down where it says, I need help. Okay, or you can even report a problem, but I'm going to go with I need help. Once you do that, it brings you to support. Once it comes to support, you're going to contact the people at Snapchat support to monetize your spotlight if you have enough views and enough followers, and that should do it for you.
Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the dark mode on Snapchat. Let's launch the Snapchat app. Then you want to scroll down and you want to click on your gear icon in the top right corner. When you're at the settings, you want to scroll down to the app appearances, the last option over here. When you click on it, you simply can switch the modules from always dark to always light. You can also match the actual iOS appearance settings. For example, I do have a dark theme on my phone currently, and if I leave this function match the system default, it will simply match and it will have a dark theme. The second option, of course, is to always be light, and the third option will, of course, to always be dark. As you saw, it's just changed. It took a while. Also, Snapchat offers something different, such as the customization and the appearances. So essentially, you can actually change and not only the layout, but the colors, the UI, the experience. So you can play around with this. I haven't seen other apps having these functions to completely change the whole look and make it so custom for your own version. But I mean, if you're up to this, you can go ahead and try to find the new ways. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Snapchat account. First thing, let's launch the Snapchat app. When you're at your profile, I want you to scroll down and I want you to click on the top right corner where you see the gear icon. Okay? And slowly I want you to scroll down after the recent updates. As you can see over here, There is a bunch of options, bunch of information, but all you gotta do is to scroll down to the section that is called account actions. You see there is a third option which is called delete account. When you click delete account, you will see all this, right? In terms of you being able to delete your account, you have to input your password and log in. Your account will be deactivated, which means friends won't be able to contact you on Snapchat. You will also lose any chats you have saved and any snaps or chats you haven't opened. After 30 days, your account will be deleted. If you would like to reactivate your account before this happens, just log in to Snapchat. One more note, according to them, if you are requested your data and haven't received it yet, please wait until you have downloaded data to delete your account. Remember guys, if you watched my previous video on how to delete your Facebook, this is exactly what I mentioned. All the social media platforms are using a very similar system in which they don't keep and they don't have your files and data on hand. You have to request this data and information in advance, so they have to process it and they will send you a special link. Usually with Snapchat might be different. This link will have like a expiration of like 2-3 days. If you don't log in and download your data, the link will be gone. So this is how obviously it works. Be mindful, like they mentioned, you have 30 days. If you change your mind, you want to recover your account, all you gotta do just to log in. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can block some of your friends on Snapchat. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch the Snapchat app first. The only thing that I should mention before we starting is that you can only block friends. You cannot block random people on your feed. This is a major downside, but I will go through this later on. So let's see over here. We have these friends over here, 2 of them, right? Let's click on the first one. All we want to do right now is when you go to their profile, you want to click on the top right corner on the 3 dots, okay? When you're at the person that you want to block, you click on the 3 dots on the top right corner. And then on the pop-out menu, I want you to click on the first option, which is manage friendship. Then you have the option to block them. You have the option also to remove the friend, right? Maybe you don't want to block them, you just don't want to be friends with them anymore. Also, if you want to escalate the situation, if there is a reason for escalation, you can simply report them. This is how you can block someone on Snapchat that is part of your friends. Another reminder, if you try to do the same thing with random person from the feed of Snapchat, you're not going to be able to do it. I don't know why Snapchat doesn't allow you to block people that are not part of your friends. For more tips and tricks like this guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in this video we're going to go over the new requirements and eligibility for Snapchat Spotlight, how you can actually make money using Snapchat, posting snaps. There is a new update of the terms from Snapchat, as you can see over here, started and effective already since January 1st. Scrolling down, introduction, welcome to Spotlight, an entertainment platform, user generated content, okay? We know that. Scroll down. Please also review privacy policy. Okay, as described in more detail below, you may receive payments for your services in connection with your Spotlight activity if your Snapchat account, the snaps you submit to Spotlight, and your payment accounts defined below satisfy the eligibility criteria. Only a small percentage of creators submitting snaps to Spotlight will receive payments. Guys, things are getting serious over here. Requirements and rights for content you submit to Spotlight. Any eligible Snapchat user can submit content to Spotlight. Any snaps submitted to Spotlight are public content as the terms defined. Okay. If you're using services on behalf of the businesses where your business is principal in place, blah blah blah. Because snaps are public content, for any snaps you submit to Spotlight without limiting any other obligations that you may have, you must have unnecessary third-party rights, including without limitations. So obviously guys, they're hitting very hard on reused content or content that was created by somebody else and you don't have rights to that. Okay, all creators and snaps submitted to Spotlight must comply with the Spotlight terms. Creators who did not comply according to Snap moderator algorithms may not be distributed and deemed ineligible for payments. Spotlight payments eligibility. Pay very close attention over here, guys. So first of all, in order to be eligible for payments, you must submit qualifying snaps, be a qualifying creator, and satisfy all payment account eligibility described below. First of all, what is it qualifying snaps? To be considered qualifying snaps, the snaps that you submitted to Spotlight during the eligibility period must have performed well enough in Spotlight during the eligibility period, calculated based on our proprietary formula to have accumulated at least 10,000 total unique views, included at least 10 unique snaps submitted on the least 5 different days. Guys, this was 1,000 before, now it's 10,000. 10,000 unique video views. You see what we're even talking about? At least 10 unique snaps submitted of at least 5 snaps utilizing snap creative tools. So you have to use one of these lenses, filters, or sounds to be eligible. Your video might get 10,000 views, right? But if you didn't use none of these special Snapchat creative tools, you're not gonna get eligible for the money. So it's crazy. But I told you, you need to pay very close attention to what's going on over here. Qualifying creators. To be considered qualifying creator, you must meet all of the following criteria below. Your country should be eligible. You must have profile set as public. Your Snap account must be at least 1 month old. And you must have at least 1,000 followers. Here is the payment account eligibility. In order to be eligible to receive payments, you must all satisfy the payment account eligibility. Okay, what are they? Payments will be allocated in accordance with proprietary payment formula, blah blah blah. Whether you reach the threshold and amount of payment you may be eligible to receive may also be impacted by moderation or content suggestion algorithm procedures. What does it mean? They're gonna cut you something or what? Payment amount for eligible creators will be determined based on final numbers of crystals we have recorded for what creators qualify activity during the given period. So, first of all, if you're an individual, you must be a legal resident of eligibility country, okay, to have submitted qualified snaps. You must have reached the legal age, at least 16. You must provide us with complete and accurate contact information, including legal first and last name, email, phone number. Okay, you or your business entity applicable must create and complete all necessary requirements for payment accounts. We reserve the right on behalf of ourselves, our affiliates, our third-party payment providers to require verification of the content information. So as you can see over here, guys, things are getting much more strict here, okay? So now, if before you need only 1,000 video views to get eligible for payment, now you need 10,000. And you need 1,000 followers, and you need to utilize the creator tools, the lenses, the sounds to be eligible for all this, which is simply, filtering the people who will be making money even more. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can share a TikTok video on Snapchat with just 2 simple clicks. Let's launch the TikTok app first. Let's look for a video that we want to share. So for our example over here, we are going to pick this video over here. Let's say, for example, we want to share this video to Snapchat. Let's click on the arrow under the comment section, and then you see you have 1 menu, 2 menu, 3 menus, right? So what you want to do, you want to focus on this menu over here, and then you want to click on Snapchat chats, okay? This will automatically launch the messages on your Snapchat, and you can select to who of your friends to send this video for. Okay, usually you will have this Snapchat option over here, but this usually works on other videos. This particular video, I don't know why it's not available, but if we go on another video, you will see that you can actually send this as a new post on Snapchat as well. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can share Instagram Reels videos on the Snapchat. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app and let's take a look at the feed. Let's try to find something that we like, that is suitable. Remember, it has to be suitable for the format of Snapchat. This looks like a cool video because Snapchat likes videos like this, fun. So you want to click on the paper airplane under the actual video. You see there is a heart, there is a comment section, and then click on the paper airplane. Then you want to scroll down on this menu over here. You want to scroll to the section, and the last option is Snapchat. You want to click on the Snapchat button, and then you will be able to set this as a brand new post on your own account. You will be able to share it. Okay, for more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.